Welcome to Val's Sweet Kitchen. This is a southern twist on a classic French ice cream cake. So, preheat your oven to 350 degrees, grab your ice cream maker, and let's go have some fun. You start with the crumbly top. Take 1/3 cup of butter, 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, and 3/4 cup of flour. And then cut it all in together until it's nice and crumbly. I'm putting a crumbly top on top of my Vacherin instead of a biscuit top. A lot of peach cobblers have biscuit tops, and we're going to toast it at 350 degrees. And prepare your meringue disc just like in my video about Vacherins. As well as make your vanilla ice cream and that level and freeze that about a day ahead of time of doing your peach sorbet. Because home ice cream makers are good for about 1 churn every 24 hours. For the peach sorbet, take 3 cups of very ripe peaches and peel the skins off. You can tell they're ripe because right around the stem part will be very soft and the skins will come off very easily. And just like a raspberry sorbet, we're going to make the peach sorbet. You can use a food processor or a blender. I'm using my new immersion blender. You just take your 3 cups of peaches, 1 cup of sugar, 2 tablespoons of honey, a teaspoon of lemon juice, which is about half a lemon, and strain it so you'll have a nice smooth sorbet. I'm also going to add some yellow food coloring, 5, 6, to give it a little bit more yellow color. It was looking too brown. That looks more like peach. And then just churn away. And then very quickly pour it into your pan and level it off. And then add your crumblies and put it back in the freezer to chill and solidify. And then with a warm tea towel, I'm warming mine up in some hot water. You just place it around the side and it'll loosen up real quickly. And we'll just melt the top a little bit so we can put on the peach. And then you just top it off the same as a regular Vacherin. Start with an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese or mascarpone, along with 3/4 cup of powdered sugar, and scrape down the sides as needed. The trick here is to make sure you don't get any lumps. So we don't want any clumps of powdered sugar hiding anywhere. Add some of the heavy whipping cream to loosen it up. And then add in the rest of the heavy whipping cream and beat it to stiff peaks. And don't forget about the vanilla. I love this part. Piping is so fun. I am just piping some really cool swirls. I hope you have fun today. If you did, give it a like and a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. If you make this at home, leave a comment on how it turned out. It's really good.